Hello there, everyone. This is Ashmita from Services Classes. Now, here in today's class, we are focusing on past perfect. Past perfect, what do we understand by this? Past perfect means we are using was, sorry, we are using had basically with the verb. So, had plus the verb. So, let's go through the sentences. Um, where can we use the past perfect tense? So I told we are going to use had plus the verb, right? The verb should be in past tense because it's after all past perfect. So let's go through these examples. You will better understand. Mom had brought dinner home with her because she had been working so late tonight. Had brought. So using had plus past tense, past perfect, using had plus brought. Okay. Next, I had kept a turtle for a pet when I was 10 years old, but gave him to my friend when mom brought home a puppy for Christmas. So, had means usage of perfect tense, and kept means, in present tense we call it keep, and in past tense we call it kept. So, usage of past tense. Had kept. I had never imagined that you did that night. Okay, so had again, it's kind of a perfect tense, and imagined, it's in past tense, so past perfect. She had gone to hang out with her boyfriend. Had gone. Go will become gone in past. Okay, next. They had rescued the entire refugees from the flooded area. Had rescued. Next, the train had left the station by the time I reached there. So, had left. Leave will become left. Okay, leave will become left. That's a perfect. We are going to move over to perfect progressive. Progressive means past perfect continuous. Okay, past perfect continuous tense means we are basically adding had plus the progressive form of the verb. That is, means if I add walk, had, it would be had been walking. Okay, had been plus walk plus ing means the verb plus ing. So it would be had been walking. It would be had been plus the verb and then ing with the verb. Let's go through the examples. So over here, see, had been. Had been, then the verb, that is count, ing. This is not the verb. This shouldn't be coming in bold, so it's wrong. Counting. Till counting, we are going to consider it as past perfect. Okay, my class had been counting on going to the zoo this Wednesday, but the trip had to be postponed due to bad weather. So had been counting on. All right. Then we have I had been reading all about dinosaurs when my mom called me down to dinner. So had been reading. So read plus ing, had been reading. Next, she had been waiting for her father for more than 3 hours and then left together when he appeared. So had again past perfect progressive tense, or continuous tense. So it's going on something which had been going on. That is what we are trying to say, had been going on. So past perfect continuous. Next, you had not only been sitting there for so long, had not only been sitting. Next, they had been dancing continuously for 2 hours at his wedding party. So had been dancing. Okay, had been dancing. Next, it had been raining fastly for the whole night, so he couldn't go home. So had been raining. Again, putting had as a part of past perfect, and been as a part of like past perfect continuous. And raining means verb plus ing. So, yeah, that's it. We're going to keep the video till here today. Let's meet again in the next classes. Thank you for being with me till the end.